guys, how are you? Kumusta na? Hindi na yata ako marunong mag-vlog guys. Ang tagal-tagal ko nang hindi nagve-video. Naninibago ako. I don't know what to say. So anyways, kamusta na kayo? Ano nang balita? So today is Friday and dyan si Austin. He's driving us today kasi mag-errands tayo. We're gonna go to Costco. Then we're gonna go to Walmart and then sa other stores pa. Kasi malapit na kami umuwi. So I'm looking for other things na dadalhin sa Philippines. Pero at the same time, kailangan namin ayusin yung mga maleta. Kasi kung may room pa. Kasi yung tatlo, puno na talaga eh. But before that, we're gonna have lunch sa BJ's. So, maganda yung deal nila. Meron silang lunch deal. So, we're gonna go there. So, eto guys. Ito ang freeway ng California. Nandito tayo sa area ng Cerritos, no? LA County. So, ayan. So, ano na pala nangyayari sa inyo? Austin, kamustahin mo naman yung mga guys? Ano na nangyayari sa inyo guys? Ano na mga balita? Eto, so I only work next week for 1 day. And then vacation yung owner ng 2 weeks. I work for 2 more days. And then, pa-fly na kami papunta sa Philippines. Are you excited, Austin? Excited to Austin. I need to give Austin a haircut. So, ayan guys. We're exiting na to go to the restaurant. Dadali ko kayo dun. Masarap dun. Ang specialty nila, mga pizza, pasta, and salads. Okay. Hi guys, so we're here. And dito tayo magla-lunch today. And there's Austin. He's hungry na yan guys. And let's go in. Hi guys, so nag-order na kami. And gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung menu ng restaurant na to. So ito yung menu nila guys, oh. Ang masasabi ko lang, if you guys ever visit, California, kasi mahal tong state na to, make sure may dala kayong maraming pocket money. Kasi it's very expensive eating out here. Yung mga entree dito guys, siguro sa isang tao, mga 25 to 33 to 34 dollars. So mga, magkano yan sa pesos? Mga 1.7 per person. To 1,500 to 1,300. Parang ganun. Basta naglalaro sa ganyang price. Guys, kung kakain kayo dito sa mga regular restaurants, hindi pa to yung pinaka sobrang expensive. Pero, parang tawag to. So, yung parang, tawag dito? Yung parang, how can I say this sa Tagalog? Yung parang normal price. No, diba? So, if you guys ever come here, ready nyo na ang inyong wallet. Dahil pagdating sa kakain kayo dito sa labas, magastos. Mahal yung price ng food dito. Pero back then, before COVID, it wasn't like this expensive. Pero after COVID, doon na talaga siya nagmahal. So, ayan yung mga beers nila. Yung mga drinks nila. So, I ordered country fried chicken. Tapos, order ako ng appetizer. Tapos, si Austin nag-order ng pizza, nachos, and salad. Yan. So anyways guys, antayin natin yung food and then I'll show you guys kung anong itsura. And pala sa comment section, mag-comment kayo. Kamusta na ba kayo? Tagal ko nang hindi nagwa-vlog kasi wala namang ganap. But anyways, I just wanted to bring you guys here. Okay, let's wait for the food. So guys, dumating na yung appetizer and salad ni Austin. So there it is. Yung Caesar salad niya. And then, ito yung chips with salsa. And then, this one is bacon mac and cheese couscous bites with dipping sauces. So, titikman natin guys kung masarap to. Ayan. So, how is it, Austin? Ay! It fell. Guys, ang sarap. You like it? Let's try this one. So guys, ano siya? Mac and cheese siya na balls. And masarap. It's really good, ano? Tapos, ito yung dipping sauce na masarap, guys. Parang siyang ranch dressing. Masarap. Kaya hindi kami talaga papayat ni Austin. Ano, Austin, ano? Guys, grabe yung nachos na binigay sa amin. Ang dami-daming binigay. Kanina pa namin kinakain yan. Ang dami na namin nabawas. And look, there's a lot. And I don't think makakain namin ubusin ni Austin yan. Kasi meron pa kami food na parating. So Austin's eating the salad. The mac and cheese bites, it's all gone. Pero ito kanina pa namin kinakain. And there's still a lot. Grabe sila dito guys magbigay. Hindi nila wini-weigh or tinitipid. Talagang pag pumunta ka sa American restaurant, talagang they give you a lot. Pero pag pupunta ka dito sa sa Filipino restaurant, kung pwedeng hindi ka nila bigyan ng food sa binayad mo, titipirin ka. Yun ang kaibahan, ano? So guys, the food came na. Andyan yung mini pizza ni Austin. It's yung house special loaded pizza. And here's my fried chicken with mashed potatoes, corn, and white gravy. Country fried gravy. So tikman natin guys kung masarap. Guys, ang sarap niya. Very tender yung chicken. Tapos yung gravy, very peppery. And may corn sa likod. And this one is very soft. At saka ang daming toppings. So did you like it, Austin? Yeah. So anyways guys, let's eat! So guys, dumating na yung dessert. So we're having white chocolate chip macadamia na Pizookie cookie na may vanilla ice cream sa taas. And I'm having the same thing. Kasi I love white chocolate macadamia. Austin, are you happy? Favorite mo yan?
Yep.
So guys, the food was really good. So ito na yung dessert, and after this, of course, we're gonna pay, and then we're gonna go ahead and do our errands. Thank you for watching. Guys, I just wanted to say, ang sarap. Si Austin, he's like so happy. Kasi guys, yung cookie, bagong luto siya, and then so it's hot, right? Tapos, yung vanilla bean ice cream malamig. So, ang ganda ng combination. Hot and cold. Oh, thank you very much. So, anyways. So, guys, again, naputol tayo. I just want to say, ang sarap. And si Austin, he's really enjoying his Pizookie. And we got the bill, guys. So, ito yung...
$50 is 47.
So, magkano? 27?
$27.89.
So, 27.89. So, anyways, just wanted to give you guys an idea kung kakain kayo dito for example for lunch sa mga restaurants na ganito. For 2 people, mga 2.7 yung mga lunch special nila. Siyempre, hindi pa kasama dyan guys ang tip. Magtitip kayo. Ayan yung tip nila, oh. So, yung tip nila is almost 500 pesos din. Ayan. So, anyways, just wanted to give you guys an idea kung magkano yung tawag dito, like how much it is if you guys ever eat out dito sa sa parang regular na restaurant lang. Pero marami ng restaurant dito na it's gonna be a little bit cheaper at saka iba, mas mahal. Pero ito, it's like a brewery, so regular, typical lang yung price niya. So anyways guys, thank you for watching. Ayan si Austin. So guys, bayaran time na. And nagbayad na si Austin, so ito yung tip. Magkano to sa pesos? Like almost 550 pesos ang tip. And inaayos namin guys yung mga plates and spoons and forks before we leave para organize. Yan lang yung sinasabi ko, like if you guys ever come to California sa States, pag nagtitip kayo dito, sila na naglalagay sa sa receipt ng percent na pwede nyo ibigay. So ito yung pinaka-highest na percent binigyan ni Austin, $10. Kasi mabait yung girl, Pero pwede naman dapat na magbigay siya lang ng 7 and everything. Pero mabait yung girl Tsaka very, basta mabait siya. Kaya, dinagdagan namin. So, anyways guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for the, the lunch treat. Ako naman mamaya sa dinner. So, we're gonna go ahead and do our errands. So, anyways guys, I hope may idea na kayo on dito sa States, kung pumunta kayo, all I have to say is, if you guys are ever visiting, bring a lot of money. Iba na ngayon dito. It's like, with all the prices of food and goods and services, talagang ang laki ng tinaas no Austin, ano? Nagtaasan talaga siya during COVID. Tapos hindi na bumaba yung mga presyo ng mga food and everything. So anyways guys, thank you for watching. Dalhin ko na kayo ulit sa car. Alis na tayo. Bye! So guys, we're out. And ayan si Austin. May natira sa pizza niya. So he's taking it home. So anyways, thank you again for watching. I just wanted to show you yung BJ's restaurant dito sa California.